In this lesson, you are going to learn how to put your video footage inside the computer or cell phone image. Okay, so now I'm going to use this video footage to explain. Alright, so now to put your video footage in a device, it could be a desktop, a laptop, or a cell phone. So you go to visual effect. Okay, so in visual effect you have these device frame visual effect. So all you need to do is just drag it and drop it on your video. So when you drag and drop that effect on your video, you're going to see that you now have that video inside the computer frame, and if you play it, we see that it's going to play, inside the frame. Okay, so now if you go to your properties section, you have device frame, you have type, so you can change it from desktop to iPhone, and it's going to put it right there. And you can even scale it, so you can scale it if you want it bigger like this. Okay, so now you can also use other devices like MacBook Pro, something like this. Let me scale down so that I can see it. Okay, so I can use Google Pixels and something like that. Okay, so now that is how you can put your video footage inside any device. Now, if you don't like any of the default devices, you can go to download more. If you go to download more, it's going to take you to Camtasia website, and where you will be able to download custom devices, okay, that you can put your picture. Now, like as you can see, so if you click on we have starter, so I'm going to uncheck premium, then you leave it as all. You must click apply if you want starter. As you can see, currently free for Camtasia users to download, so you're just going to click apply. So when you click apply, then it's going to load the free version of the device that you can use. So you can transfer this device from this you can send directly to Camtasia if you want something like this. If it's something like this that you want, you can just send directly to your Camtasia, or you download it on your phone by clicking on your laptop, rather, by clicking on this. Okay, so if I want this, for example, I can click on download, or I can decide to send it to Camtasia, and it's going to send to Camtasia. Alright, so that is how you can add more devices in your into your Camtasia and use it.